Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to extend AI videos in Google Flow step by step. If you've generated an AI video but want to make it longer without starting over, this guide will show you how to extend your video and create a smoother, longer scene. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Google Flow website. Sign in with your Google account and open the project that contains the AI video you want to extend. Once your project loads, select the generated video from your workspace. Depending on the latest version of Google Flow, you may see an option called Extend, Continue, Generate More, or something similar. If this feature is available, click it to begin. Next, decide how you want the video to continue. You can leave the original prompt as it is or add a new prompt describing what should happen after the current scene ends. For example, if your first scene shows a person walking through a forest, your continuation prompt might describe the person reaching a waterfall, watching the sunset, or exploring an ancient temple. Providing a clear continuation prompt helps the AI create a natural transition between the original clip and the extended scene. You can also describe camera movements, lighting, weather, character actions, and emotions to maintain consistency throughout the video. If Google Flow offers additional generation settings, review them before continuing. Select the preferred quality, aspect ratio, or style to match your original video as closely as possible. Now click the Generate or Extend button. Google Flow will process the request and create additional footage that follows your original scene. Depending on the complexity of your prompt, this may take a few moments. When the extended video is ready, preview the entire sequence from the beginning. Make sure the transition between the original clip and the new section looks smooth and natural. If necessary, adjust your continuation prompt and generate another version until you're satisfied. Once you're happy with the final result, save your project so you don't lose your progress. If an export or download option is available, use it to save the completed extended video to your computer. And that's how you extend AI videos in Google Flow. By using clear continuation prompts and consistent settings, you can create longer, more engaging AI-generated videos without recreating your project from scratch. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Flow tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.